I'm sipping a soju.
Hey, so the album's out. Holy shit. I need to go check out the music. I'm so nervous. Excuse my language. I am going through it right now as a fanboy. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Audio. Come on. Upload faster, please. Come on, G-Dragon team. Upload faster. I'm like refreshing this. Please. Oh, I can't wait to hear Gyro drop. He got his bare feet. He got his bare feet on this bitch. All right, what are we doing? Okay, God. Why am I treating it like I pulled like the most rarest card in the... Chill. Okay, we're gonna set that up. First. Is the other one out too? Okay, so we're gonna check out we're gonna check out Drama first. It's 4 minutes, bitch. It's 4 minutes. God. 4 minutes. Are you... The other MV's out. Let me set it up. I'm setting it up. I am recording. Oh, shit.
We love you, Drake.
I didn't. No. Are we good? Oh my God, I'm gonna have a headache. I don't think you understand how all of us have been waiting for G-Dragon. Right now, I'm live on Twitch. If you guys don't know, I haven't eaten anything yet. No special intro like last time because I thought I was dropping tomorrow. That's my bad VIP, Dre. I haven't eaten yet, but this is my meal. I'm about to eat. Drama. Is there any captions? I guess not. Is there any captions for the Anderson .Paak one? Maybe not, because maybe it's... I don't know. Is it too early? Is that why? Is this just too early?
Daddy, chill.
Maybe. Chill. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. All right, let's go. Right now, we're about to check out G-Dragon's Drama. The whole album came out. Too Bad featuring Anderson .Paak came out, but you see that in a next video. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? 3, 2, 1.
When everything's wrong.
Who farted in the name of G-Dragon? Sorry, my bad. I didn't. I didn't need to snap. I didn't mean to snap. But listen, Pookie, don't you fucking fart. Okay? All right. No.
When everything's rolling in, yeah. Why you acting like you're sober? There is nothing left to see, right?
I don't know how to act. I don't know how to react. Oh. So he has like a... Oh, whoa. He was layering his vocals, but he has like a wind up, like a doll.
So I paint all over this painful love blur. Seems like you like to start an argument. When I lose just for the hell of it.
Ooh, it's haunting. I got chills, y'all. Got chills.
You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from my mama.
Drama queen got from your mama.
Rather hang out to pick a fight.
I just feel.
What goes around, there comes the karma.
Oh my God.
Baby's cold outside, make you warm.
Got that coat on though.
Burn, this love. And biggest brothers be nice. Bet you like it. Bet you like this. Lost in angel falling in love.
Oh, who's that?
Blessing the curse that we are born with.
Oh, okay. That's true.
I give it up.
It's these stairs, G-Dragon. You can't be just staring.
How dare you be so cold and heartless?
Oh, damn. Who did that?
Let's take a bow. Come out the door.
Ooh. Let's take a bow. Come out the door. So I can't do it. I can't sing. Don't use me as a reference. I'm so sorry. I just thought that was dope.
Take a bow. Come out the door. You will no longer play the role alone.
Ooh. Man, he just expressing himself, bro. He going through life.
Never like it when it's nice.
You never like it when it's nice.
Drama queen got it from my mama. Rather her not to pick a fight.
Bro, he looks so good. I don't know. Anything he wears, he just makes it fashion, bro.
Comes the karma. Baby's cold outside. Make you warm. Burn this love.
Burn this love. Even the wheel, it says fragile.
Bet you like this. I don't know why I can't be peace from free moving. Just a minute, hip asking myself, what the hell am I doing in this? Good get out and maybe got my drama.
Wait. This is what you saw in the teaser. Sorry, y'all.
Never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from a mama.
Oh, I miss his voice, man. Every time, bro, it hits.
What goes around, there comes the karma.
Comes around, comes that karma.
Baby's cold outside, make you warm. Burn this love and begins better be nice. Bet you like you never like it when it's nice.
Don't. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so that shot. Sorry, I'm analyzing. I should just let it play. Bro, it's that every time I watch G-Drag, I gotta think. I gotta analyze. You know what this reminds me of? Hold up, once it's done. No more drama. Okay. First of all, it was beautiful. It was sad. It was artsy. It was G-Dragon. It reminded me of Untitled. Do you guys, you know what I'm talking about? The last comeback that he came out with. It felt like that same way. Not the same way, but you know what I mean. Like that type of like vibe, especially from the very beginning.
You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from my mama.
There's like little. Oh, he's like opening a box that all says fragile.
Not to pick a fight.
I'm guessing he feels like he's a toy or like a doll.
Goes around, there comes the karma.
Is that like a bruise or like dry blood or just freckles?
Like
on his cheek?
Comes the karma.
Like right here. That's why he wipes it. Because obviously these are like freckles that they put on him. But that, what is that? What is this?
Baby's cold outside.
Nah, that might be still be freckles though.
Burn this.
Oh, no, it's engine oil. Are you being for real? That could be true too, because like he's feels like a machine. Since he like, especially at the end scene, used like a toy.
Bet you like it.
Ah.
Bet you like this. Lost in angel falling in love. Blessing the curse that we are born with. I gave it all.
There are 4 versions of this album. Alright, cool.
How dare you be so cold and heartless? Let's take a bow to Matador.
Ooh, I love that.
You and Morgan play the role alone. Wakana mi monaish naze kimi wa. You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from my mama. Rather her not to pick a fight. What goes around, here comes the karma. Baby's cold outside. Make you.
I like the way that it put a blank face on the female counterpart, or the I'm guessing the dancer itself.
Warm.
So the focus is still on G Dragon, even though it's
this love and begins but us be nice. Bet you like it, bet you like this.
where's my favorite part?
I don't know why can't we be from free more than just a minute. Hip asking myself, what the hell am I doing in this? Good out and maybe got my drama. You never like it when it's nice. Drama queen got it from a mama.
I like it when he like goes in a bit.
Rather hang out to pick a fight. What goes around, there comes the karma. Karma. Baby's cold outside. Make you burn. This love and begins but us be nice. Bet you like it. You never like it when it's nice.
That part, I was gonna say they have like I don't know what to call this. It's like a Vocaloid kind of filter. I like that a lot. And then there's a shot of him like a bunch of like robotic parts. Like there, like I'm guessing that's him. That's how he feels. Synth reverb with phaser. Thank you for explaining that. Well, damn, drama. I mean, listen. I feel like the best way to express yourself, whether it's through pain or through past drama, is through music, especially. Oh my god! Through past experiences, you did not turn off alerts. I guess not. I don't know how to freaking turn that off, bro. It's. I feel like as an artist, it's the best way to explain your feelings and your past is through a music video and music. Specifically songwriting and stuff, and we already know G Dragon be songwriting. He's one of the geniuses of songwriting. But more, go play the role. Oh, go play the role. LOL alone. Hold up. The look direction is similar to Raggedy Ann. Yeah, I could see that in that case too. I mean, it's like a doll, like he's been used. I mean, I feel like people can relate if they've been relationships.
Got it from a mama. Rather hang out to pick a fight.
Doll toss around and use.
What goes around, there comes the karma.
Damn. Seems like you like to start an argument, win or lose, just for the hell of it. Damn. You spilling that shit, bro. We got that tea. Literally, it's called drama. Drama queen got it from her mama. Rather hang up to pick a fight. What goes around, here comes the karma. Baby, it's cold outside. I'll make you warm. Burn this love. G Dragon. Well, you deserve all the love, GD. Whether you do feel our love, I'm pretty sure you feel the love. We love you, bro. We love you. We support you. I'll give you the biggest dap up, hug, whatever you want. If you want a kiss on the cheek, mwah, give it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's move on. That was G Dragon's drama. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to all those who are watching on YouTube. And if it's blocked, thank you for watching it on Patreon. All links in the description, y'all. Peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.